Multiple customizable spy lists and soft scope are a few of the powerful debugging tools in Red Lion Workbench. They allow you to visualize your data in real time to verify your program is running as you intended. We'll show you how to create a spy list in Red Lion Workbench and go online with the RTU, and how to debug using soft scope. Before you start, you will need to install Red Lion Workbench, create a new program, and add some variables to your program. Ready to go? We'll start by creating a new spy list. Start by opening the Quick Spy list in the Blocks window. Drag and drop variables into the spy list from the Global Variable Editor window. Create persistent customizable watch lists by right-clicking on the Watch folder in the Workspace window. Select Insert New Item, click on the Watch category, and select Spy List. Enter the name and description of the spy list. Click the Online button to collect data from the RTU. The spy list will show the status of the variables no matter which program window you are in. Double-click the watch list. Drag and drop the variables from the Variable Editor window. Their status will update live. Now, let's debug the program using the soft scope. Click on Soft Scope in the Workspace window. Drag and drop variables into the symbol list from the Variable Editor window. Assign a different color to every variable. Click on the play icon to start the soft scope. As the state of the variables change, this is reflected graphically in the soft scope. Click Stop to view the results. Zoom out and click on each variable to see its status in the soft scope. Debug using spy lists and soft scope. For more help, go to support.redlion.net.